Hi there, welcome to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to create group in Mailerlite. First, you have to log into your Mailerlite account and you will find at the left side menu you will find subscribers. Simply click on it and here you will find some options like all subscribers, segment, groups, fields, stats, cleanup, inactive, story, and all of them beyond all of them you'll find groups. Simply click on groups and here you can find a create group button. Simply click on it and you can name your group here. You just need to simply name your group. I'm going to give a name, for example, and here you can see I have just created a group. You can also delete it anytime. You can find here in the more option you can rename it, you can split it, or you can delete this group here. And you also can click on view group to see the whole overview of this group. You will find the details about your subscribers, open rates and click rates. And if you click on view group you will see the subscribers here and you can set here some settings like here you can set as this group as the groups, as the email or field, anything. And you can also choose an operator or belongs to, and here you can select the groups and you can split all the subscriber to your group from here. And by this, click on add a condition. You can add a condition and add another condition. By the second one you can also apply any filter, and here you can see the activity of the subscribers. That's how you can create a group in Mailerlite. It's pretty simple. Hope you found this video helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, click on the bell icon, and we will get back to you soon with another informative video. Thanks for watching. Till next time.